One of our chairs squeaks and one doesn't.
And he always puts me in the squeaking chair. Welcome to the countdown to Miles, Menus, and Mystery, episode 3. Last week we spoke about what got us into the paranormal. Today we'll be discussing things we've done and things we do when we're not exploring the unknown.
When it comes to this video, this is kind of a hard one to do because we really don't like talking about ourselves. And when we do, I feel like no one really believes the jobs we've had in the past. For example, we both met as interns for the Walt Disney Company working at Hollywood Studios.
And from there, we were cruise staff for the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line as we hosted karaoke, bingo, trivia, pretty much anything with a microphone. That was us hosting.
So those are 2 facts. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna play 2 truths and a lie. And it's up to you to leave a comment which one is false.
Fair enough.
All right, so we're gonna do 2 rounds.
Okay.
2 truths and a lie, jobs we've had.
Okay.
2 truths and a lie, facts about us.
Okay.
Go.
I have been the concierge for Snoop Dogg and his crew, as well as Public Enemy. I have done a stint as a mortician for a few months. And I have worked at the training facility for a National Hockey League team.
Okay.
Only 2 of those are true.
I've scare acted at both Universal Studios Orlando and Hollywood at Halloween Horror Nights.
Okay.
I've sold timeshare.
Okay.
And I've also co-wrote an episode of The Simpsons.
Those are some solid jobs.
They are. All right, facts. Go.
Facts. I have met the lead singer of Led Zeppelin. I have been in the same room as a president. I have been in the same kitchen as a world-renowned chef.
Okay. I'm a Patty dive master.
Okay.
I've shaken hands with Tom Cruise.
Okay.
And my favorite movie of all time is Citizen Kane.
Those are pretty 3 wild ones as well.
They are.
So let us know which ones you think is the lie down in the comments below.
Join us next Friday for the final video in our countdown to M3 series, where a giveaway winner will be selected and a few special thank yous will be said to people who have helped us along the way.
And join us April 19th, where we start searching for the truth, 1 bite at a time.